Okay, take 3. So today we are looking at the most difficult questions for your trigonometry test coming up tomorrow. Let's get started. So just to remind you, the WALT is I can solve 2 triangle problems using trigonometry. This fits into the well above standard. It's 2 triangle problems. The problem I'm doing today is on page 40 of your trigonometry booklet, starting at question 7. If I was you, I would do question 7 to question 10 today. There will definitely be one of these questions in your test. Okay, so the question we're looking at today, which you can't see very clearly, is question 7 out of your trig booklet. Okay, from a point on the level ground, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 40 degrees. Here's our building on this side here. Okay, but if you walk 10 metres closer to the building, the angle of elevation has changed now to 60 degrees. Sorry, it's on a bit of a crooked. Sorry if I just gave you motion sickness. Okay, so let's have a look at this question. It's asking us to find the height of the building. As I said, this is the most difficult question you'll come across. Let's divide it into 2 triangles. My first triangle looks like this, 60 degrees, height unknown. So first thing I want to do is I want to get an expression for h. I'm going to put an x here because this is also unknown. So to get an expression here, I'm going to go tan of 60 equals opposite over adjacent. Therefore, when I get h by itself, it's going to be x tan 60. Okay, let's now look at the other triangle. This one's a little bit more difficult. We've got a 40 degrees here. Our bottom is x plus 10. Okay, it's this plus 10, and our height is the same. Now that's really important. It is a common height. So let's have a look at this. This will be tan of 40 equals opposite over x plus 10, which is x plus 10 tan 40 equals h. Okay, we now have 2 common expressions for h. Now the mathematical leap here is the fact that if this equals h and this equals h, therefore these 2 things equal each other. So that's where I'm going to start my next line of working from. I'm going to rub the rest out. Okay, and this is our new expression now. Okay, so let's expand the brackets because everything in here is times by tan 40. So we can work out quite easily what 10 times tan 40 is. Now, similarly, I can work out what tan 60 is. So just putting it into my calculator, tan 60 equals 1.73 and tan 40 equals 0.84. Okay, so now we need to get like terms on the same side. So this has become 1.73x. I'm going to subtract this from this side. So take away 0.4 84x equals 8.39. And just run out of room. So 1, 3, take away 0.84 equals 0.89x equals 8.39. To get x by itself, I will divide 8.39 divided by 0.89, which equals 9.42. That has not answered the question yet, because if we come back up here, we now know what this is here. This has become 9.42. Okay, we still need to work out the height. I'm going to now rub this working off. Working with a small whiteboard today. And so if from our first triangle we know that tan 60 equals opposite over adjacent, we now know the adjacent is 9.24. So we go 9.42, times tan 60 equals height. 9.42 times tan 60. Height equals 16.3 metres. So our building is 16.3 metres. Hopefully you've been able to see that. I understand my screen is a little blurry today, but we'll get it fixed. I just wanted to get this for you before you start revising for Trig today. Have a good day. Bye.